Day 10, we're hitting the road. I have not ran yet. I wanted to run at altitude again, so I'm running at the Redwood Forest, or whatever it's called. That's where our first stop is, and then we're headed off to some big city. I don't know where it's at, but that's the plan.
Well, good morning. It is day 9, I believe, and we are right here on the coast of California, heading up towards the Redwood Forest. We came through part of it already, getting ready to do a little bit of hiking today, then another about 4 or 5 hours on the road down to San Francisco, going to get across the Golden Gate Bridge, hang out in San Francisco for the night before we make the official turn back home. So, but beautiful Pacific Ocean. Little gloomy day today, but check us out. We'll see where the world takes us today.